So guys, I lost a little bit of footage, but I want to let you know that I'm working on the She's Crafty Kits video number, is it 13 for this? So guys, I started putting this together and I only have the rust color and the green paper attached down. I don't have this 6x8, but I do have this hexy woodcut that I had decorated up. So what I think I'm going to do, since it's a hexy, is I'm going to bring in at least 3 more hexies. I've got this really nice Vicky Bouton paper here. I'm like, all right, excellent time to do that, which, you know, works with my background paper. My husband's wearing some jeans. I think I am too. It's just, you don't see as much. So I'm going to do that and kind of have it bounce along, I think. Wonder if I should do something, wonder if I should do like a top of, no, that hexie's huge. I could do a hexie in a hexie. That might be kind of cute. If I put like a white paper behind it, that might be kind of cute on this bar. I also have my shakers, and I'm going to, this one has a map and some greenery, so I'm going to just go ahead and pop that right there. You won't have to see that bit that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I've got this wood piece that reads Hello Fall. So we've got some things going on. So like I said, I need to cut out 2 more hexies, and then we really are just going to be at a point of just decorating up all of the bits. I did want to share with you where we are design-wise. So it's just basically, I had this hexie paper here, and I was like, that's how I can bring it in, by repeating the element that we already decorated up. So I think we'll go right along the side there, maybe. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. Or do we want to bring hexies here? We can have one here and then one down here. I don't know. So I'm going to play around with it a little bit and I'll meet you right back. So I've got all of these pieces are now down on my background. And let's take a look and see what we have left to work with. I've got this really nice rust colored trim, which would add a little something. It might, you know what it's doing though? If I add this, it's going to cause that trapped space between those green bits, and it also takes away from even seeing that they're hexies. So this is going to have to get put aside for another day. That's not going to work. I've got some nice enamel dots in green. I've got some sequins. Oh, and I have this sheet here that has all of these great words. So I can totally get, let's take this out. This pumpkin piece, see, everything I have right now is like uber dimensional. So it's just a little tricky. We already have a pumpkin there. It is just a little bit tricky because it is really large. All right, I like this thankful word. So we have Hello Fall. I like thankful, but ooh, you know what? This is flat and I can put that there. So that is kind of a nice like secondary title. And I also liked these houses, but like I said, everything here is just so big and chunky. It's not really lending itself to that. Always love a floral. Love, 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 love a floral. So I can go ahead and just pop those pieces slightly under these pieces because I have a little bit of foam underneath. Any other little tiny bits? I love these fall leaves. Look at these. There's a little bit of a metallic on them, and I have a really nice strong metallic in the sequins, so that's great. And I use more of those things. Phew. Okay, I have that. Now at this point, guys, that's going to conclude what's in this kit. So what I'm going to do, oh, wait. I have one more thing to look at. Hold on. Hold the phone. I have stuff everywhere right now. They're just a couple little words. Just about travel, far and away, explore. All right, and one frame. So all of that can get put away. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I have these sequins to put on. This is a little like relaxed and plain for me. My last kit had these golden leaves. So I think we're gonna go ahead and tuck some of these in. Just a couple, because I have a bunch. Maybe 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's tuck in some golden leaves. That's going to give us a little bling bling. But I'm also going to see if there's any die cuts or anything that speak to me. I'm going to pop on enamel dots, some sequins, all that kind of stuff. And I will meet you back here and show you my finished layout. I found this treasure trove, guys, of these simple stories, bits and pieces for Harvest Market. I know I was supposed to come back when I had my finished layout to show you, but I got excited because I found stuff to build up my clusters, and this is quite the exciting moment. So I've got a little silo, and then I found this cute little scarecrow, and this little scarecrow just needs to be popped up a little bit so he can shine. But I thought he was so darned cute for this cluster, bringing in a nice little bit of gold. Look, he's holding a cupcake. So we have that way better, way better. We have got, oh, this nice little gourd. I don't know if it's quite a pumpkin. I don't really know what the difference is. That's cute though. So we've got a bakery shop, but that's right next to where it says Hello Fall. We have a rooster. I do like the rooster. Has nothing to do with it. We've got these little plummy things. I think they're like spiced apples. A little sweater. I was wearing a sweater. Look, hello. The big word fall, but I already have Hello Fall. Okay, just thought I'd show you that I found stuff that is really going to be able to work for this. So I'm going to really start building up my clusters. And I just went back into this bin. I have a bin. I have so many bins for this series with all kinds of die cut collections. So I just grabbed one that looked like fall, and here we are. So I have finished up my day 13, and it's fairly plain. I did have to go get another piece of cardstock, and that was from my kit building. So I didn't go into my stash. I went into my kit building area because that's what we're trying to do. Because I had forgotten that I wanted to back this layout. If you look on the sketch, it looks like it may have a border. So I was like, all right, let me see if I have anything that works. And I had something. So that was great. So this is pretty much, you know, a fallsy color vibe. I like that. I went into this sticker book right here to get just a couple of these little words. I needed a little something extra. I already talked to you about my die cuts that came in handy. I used some little gold leaves that totally came in handy from a previous kit as well. And guys, that's it. So easy peasy lemon squeezy layout for day 13. I will have a few still shots to follow, guys, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another layout. Yep, still shots to follow. Bye, guys.